Good morning everyone. Our today's topic is solution in a gas in a liquids, right? And what are the factors affecting solubility of gas? We will discuss today. But in our previous lecture, we already discussed about steam distillation and azeotrope. Like that means azeotrope is a mixture of two or more pure compounds. That composition cannot be changed by simple distillation. That is called azeotrope. There are two types of azeotropes: minimum azeotrope and maximum azeotropes. Right? What is minimum azeotropes? The azeotropes are formed by those liquids paired which shows positive deviation from ideal behavior, and maximum azeotrope that gives a negative deviation from ideal behavior. And another topic we had done, that is steam distillation, right? So now we are going to discuss about solution of gas in a liquid. So now first of all, what is the factor of effect of solubility of gas? As I told you above, what is solubility? Solubility, that means in the solution which the amount of solute present rather, એટલે કે સોલ્યુટનું પ્રમાણ વધારે હોય કેના કરતાં, સોલ્વેન્ટ કરતાં, તો એને કેવું કહેવાય? વીક સોલ્યુશન, રાઈટ? કોન્સન્ટ્રેટ સોલ્યુશન કોને કહેવાય? તો કે સોલ્યુશન ઇન વિચ ધ અમાઉન્ટ ઓફ સોલ્યુટ પ્રેઝન્ટ ઇઝ લાર્જ rather than solvent, right? And solubility, that means the ability of one compound to dissolve in another compound, it's called solubility. Now what factor that affect in solubility of gas, right? Generally the gas solubility in liquid is greatly affected by two parameters. One is temperature, right? And second is pressure. And also nature of the solute and the solvent. Nature of the solute and solvent, right? There are three parameters that affect solubility of gas in a liquid. We are talking about solution in a gas in a liquid, right? Now there are many gases that readily dissolve in a water, while there are gases that do not dissolve in a water under normal condition, right? ઘણા એવા gases present છે જે normal condition માં water માં dissolve ના થાય. For example, oxygen is only soluble in, sparingly soluble in water, while HCl or ammonia readily soluble in water. So first we discuss about effect of pressure. Effect of pressure in a gas, right? So it's been found that the gas solubility in liquid increase with increase in a pressure. Gas solubility in liquid increase with increase in pressure. This is also known as a Henry law that we will discuss later. That gas solubility in a liquid, એટલે કે ગેસની સોલ્યુબિલિટી લિક્વિડમાં ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય એમ પ્રેશર કેવું થાય? ઇન્ક્રીઝ. દેટ મીન્સ પ્રેશર ઇન્ક્રીઝ કરીએ એમ ગેસના મોલિક્યુલ્સ છે, પાર્ટિકલ્સ છે, જે એ લિક્વિડમાં શું થશે? ડિઝોલ્વ થશે, રાઈટ? સોલ્યુબલ થશે. To have a better understanding of the effect of pressure on a gas solubility, let us consider a system of a gas solution in a solvent is a closed container in a state of dynamic equilibrium, right? If we have a container like this, and we have here a liquid phase, and this is, we put some weight like W1 and W2, some weight, and here the molecule of gas, here the molecule of gas, right? So let us consider a system of gas solution in a solvent is closed container at equilibrium condition. Now the solution is in equilibrium and as the rate of gaseous molecule entering in the solution and is equal to the rate of gaseous molecule leaving the solution, right? We have a one condition. Suppose this is all container are in equilibrium condition. So what if the system is equilibrium? So now the rate of gaseous molecule, rate of gaseous molecules entering the solution, the solution is equal to કેના બરાબર થશે? the rate of gaseous molecule, the rate of gaseous molecules leaving the solution, leaving the solutions, right? Now suppose we increase the pressure of a system by compressing in the gas molecules present above the solutions. Now this is the first figure that I have drawn. Now what we are doing, suppose we increase the pressure, એટલે કે આ પ્રેશર છે આપણે શું કરીએ? ઇન્ક્રીઝ કરીએ, એટલે કે વધારીએ, બરાબર, ઓફ ધ સિસ્ટમ બાય કમ્પ્રેસિંગ ધ ગેસ મોલેક્યુલ, એટલે કે આપણે પ્રેશર વધારીએ એટલે ગેસના મોલેક્યુલ શું થશે? કમ્પ્રેસ થશે, રાઈટ? સો what we compressing the gas molecule present above the solution, as a result increase in a pressure, the gas molecule will now be concentrated in a smaller volume, right? અત્યારે જે આ આપણે ફિગર જોઈએ તો આમાં ગેસના મોલેક્યુલ્સ છે એની મતલબ એની સરફેસ છે એ કેવી છે? લાર્જ છે, બરાબર. હવે આપણે પ્રેશર ઉપરથી એને વધારે આપવામાં આવીએ તો ગેસના મોલેક્યુલ્સનું વોલ્યુમ છે એ કેવું થઈ જશે? ઓછું થઈ જશે, લાઈક ધીસ. તો અહીંયા જે ગેસના મોલેક્યુલનું વોલ્યુમ છે કેવું થઈ ગયું? ઓછું થઈ ગયું, બરાબર. ઓછું થઈ ગયું એટલે એની સોલ્યુબલ થવાની કેપેસિટી કેવી થઈ ગઈ? વધી ગઈ, રાઈટ? નાઉ સપોઝ this is the second figure. Now suppose we increase the pressure of the system by compressing the gas molecules present above the solution. As a result, we get increase in a pressure. The gas molecules will now be concentrated in smaller region, right? Concentrated in smaller volume. This will result in an increase in the number of gas molecule per unit available above the solution, right? એટલે કે આમાં ગેસના મોલેક્યુલ્સ કેવા છે પર યુનિટ વોલ્યુમ અવેલેબલ થશે આપણને, બરાબર? Now the number of gas molecule present above the solution is increased. The rate which gas molecule will be entering in the solution will be also increasing, right? So another point is the number of gas molecule, the number of gas molecules present above the solution increased, present above the solution increase. The rate with which the gas molecule will be entering, so the rate with which the gas molecule will be entering will also increase, right? Will also increase until a new equilibrium point is attained. क्या સુધી થશે? Until a new equilibrium point is attained. So the solubility of gases increases with increases in a pressure, right? And this is called Henry's law. એટલે કે પ્રેશર જેમ જેમ વધારવામાં આવે એમ ગેસના મોલેક્યુલ્સની સોલિબિલિટી લિક્વિડમાં increase થશે. This is called Henry's law. And Henry's law gives a quantitative relation between pressure and gas solubility in a liquid state. Now what is Henry's law? So what is Henry's law? Henry's law gives a quantitative relation between pressure and gas solubility. It is said that solubility of gas in a liquid is directly proportional to the partial pressure of the gas present above the surface of the liquid solution. આનું સ્ટેટમેન્ટ શું છે? તો કે solubility of gas in a liquid is directly proportional to the partial pressure of the gas present above the surface of liquid solution. This is the statement, and the most general way using Henry's law is that the partial pressure of gas above a solution is proportional to its mole fraction of gas. Alright? So the solubility of gas in a solvent liquid depends on the pressure and temperature, as I told you. When a gas is enclosed over the saturated solution, the following equilibrium exists. If gas and gas equilibrium. If pressure is increased of the system, the equilibrium will move in the direction which will reduce the pressure, and the pressure can be reduced by more gas dissolved in a solvent. So a kinetic molecule explanation of the effect of pressure in a gas solution system is illustrated as I told you, as I draw as a figure. So the relation between pressure and solubility of gas is particular solvent which investigated by, as I told you, Henry, and he gave a general explanation of Henry's. So it is called of a gas in a contact with solvent at a constant temperature and concentrations of the gas that dissolve in a solvent is directly proportional to the pressure of the gas. So C proportional to P, or you can say C is equal to Kp, where P is equal to pressure of the gas. C is equal to concentration of the gas in a solution. Concentration of gas in solution. And K is the proportionality constant known as a Henry law constant. Is a Henry's law constant, and the value of K depends upon the nature of gas and solvent, and the units of P and C is used, right? So equilibrium exists between the gas molecule, and I written a three figure as I told you. So when pressure is applied, gas volume decreases in a concentration of gas phase increases. So more gas molecule passes into solution, the equilibrium where pressure above the gas is decreases. Now there are certain limitation here. So one is in moderate temperature and pressure. If applied closely gas which nearby ideal behavior, so moderate temperature and pressure will be required. If the solubility of gas in the solvent is low, એટલે કે ગેસની solubility છે એ સોલ્વેન્ટમાં કેવી હોવી જોઈએ? લો હોવી જોઈએ. And the gas does not react with the solvent to form a new species. Thus the aim, right? એટલે કે ગેસના મોલેક્યુલ છે એ સોલ્વેન્ટ જોડે રિએક્ટ ના કરવા જોઈએ, નહીં તો શું થશે કે નવું આપણને સ્પીસીસ જોવા મળશે, right? And the gas does not associate to and dissociate on dissolving in the solution. So there are 4 or 5 limitations of Henry's law. I write down here. First one is at moderate temperature and pressure will be required to, if the solubility of the gas in a solvent is low. Third one, the gas does not react with the solvent to form new species. And fourth one is the gas does not associate or dissociate on dissolving in the solvent, right? So this is called Henry's law, and these are the applications. So now what is the effect on a temperature? Now gas solubility in a liquid is found to decreases with increases in a temperature, and the gas molecule in a liquid are dissolved by the process of dilution, right? So the gas solubility in liquid is found to decreases with increases in temperature. એટલે કે જેમ જેમ ટેમ્પરેચર આપણે શું કહેવાય કે લિક્વિડ્સ ગેસના મોલેક્યુલ્સ છે એ લિક્વિડમાં ડિઝોલ્વ થતા જાય, બરાબર, એમ એનું ટેમ્પરેચર કેવું થતું જાય, વધતું જાય, બરાબર. એ ડ્યુરિંગ ધ પ્રોસેસ હીટ ઇઝ ઇવોલ્વ, એટલે કે આ બધી પ્રોસેસ થઈ ત્યારે હીટ આપણને મળે, બરાબર. એન્ડ અકોર્ડિંગ to some rules which state that when the equilibrium of a system is disturbed, the system readjusts itself in a such way, and then the effect of has caused the changes in equilibrium is a concentration. So now the study of solution and their properties has played a vital role in the advanced science and development. So it is improved of many solutions are raw material for wide variety of product. So hence some knowledge about the factor affecting solubility always important, right? So gas solubility in liquid is found to decrease with increases in a temperature. So now here your chapter number solutions. This is your chapter number, I think 8, right? So here your chapter 8 is over, and next we will start your another chapter. So okay students, thank you, have a good day.